Hello, 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 hello everyone. Eh, I would assume nobody's here really, so either way, might as well share my message, right? So I have a message to share. Yeah, might as well. It's a nice little. Yeah, just give me a second, and I will definitely be sharing it. Got a problem, child. I'm so wanna be where I'm I believe we're going up and on. All right, here's the message. Today, today we okay, not today. When is it? Oh yeah, today. Wait, this is live, right? Okay. In a couple of days, we will be this word though, commemorate Human Rights Day, a powerful reminder of the sacrifices made for our freedom, dignity, and equality. As we go live, as we go live today, let's reflect on the values of our Constitution: human dignity, equality, and freedom. Those are not just words, they are responsibilities we carry every single day. Whether you are a student, a future legal practitioner, a citizen striving for change, remember your voice matters. Speak up, stay informed, and stand for justice. Let this stream be more than just a conversation. Let it be a platform for awareness, empowerment, and unity. Together, we continue the journey towards a more just South Africa. Yep, that's how it goes. I have no idea how many people are gonna be watching this, but yeah. So, we are in the month of we are in the month of Human Rights Day, right? So, yeah, I mean, our history, I think it's 30 years, right? 30 years of the Constitution, yeah, the 30 years, 94, 96, and 96 of the Constitution, till 6, 96, actually, yeah, no, it's not 30 years. 30 years of something, but I didn't do this proper. I'm just doing it, by the way. So, yeah, yeah, so South Africa has the most powerful constitution in the world, which is our South African constitution. It is the supreme guideline or law of the country. Everything must align with the constitution. If it doesn't, we don't necessarily accept it. So, yeah, I mean, it speak a lot about the whole thing and the constitution and so forth on my episodes. So I usually drop episodes every Monday, 8 p.m. South African time. I don't know which time is that in the world, but uh, 8 p.m. Every Monday. So check it out and listen to some of the guests that I had, some of the South African legal landscape, the conversations that I usually have. Sometimes it's just me, myself, and a lens, or just an audio. Or you can check us out on rss.com. My podcast name is Ubuntu and Law. It's UBUNTU and Law. So yeah, man. So I'm hoping, yeah, and just feel free to comment and let me know what you think and so forth and so forth. I've been doing this for a while now, so yeah, yeah. So yeah, if you want a particular guest, particular profession, I'll try my best to get them on the show. But I've been having the future leaders of this country. And the next generation of policymakers, the youth of this country. I'm talking about university students, any law from any institution. So I bring them on the pod, we have a conversation. You get to hear the insights, how they think, and what is their career path. Look, some want to be in the NPA, which is the National Prosecuting Authority, Prosecutors Authority, right? So there, I think it's self-explanatory. So what happens, or what really happens is that they, you're a prosecutor essentially. So that is you have to write, and it's a whole process. So what all of those conversations tend to have with them, going to have with them. Some they want to be attorneys, want to go into the field, the practice. It's huge. Attorney is like it's very huge because I think you do everything. You deal with criminal, you litigate almost. Yeah, it is a lot. There are some want to open their own firms. I know, very ambitious. Yeah, very challenging. So attorneys and they do have to apply for article of clerkmanship. We discuss the level of graduate who don't necessarily get articles same time after they graduate with the process. You need to find a firm that is willing to do all of those things. When you're an advocate, I think it's much simpler, but advocate, it takes time because you pay based on your experience. So when you start off, it's like as your salary also increases. But I think it's all, and also you specialize in specific fields as an advocate. So you get a stipend, which is I think minimum is 8K, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, but yeah, and then what else? I think there's also it's a year you do PPL if you want to be an advocate. You have chambers, you don't have and so forth and so forth. So it's a whole process, and there's different layers, and there's also people who don't want to be admitted. And no, man, the law field is very vast and big, and especially for us, a developing country. Are we still a developing country? I don't think so, but I think yeah, we still have a lot of potential. Definitely, as a growing, developing country, but that has a lot of potential. So yeah, man. So it is a lot. So I think so. There's a lot, and the industry is so vast, and so I don't know if I'm on it. I had my fan on, so yeah. So I'll be dropping an episode very soon, So where was I? There's judges. There's also commercial. Commercial. We have the big five. Wait, the big five. Yeah, we have the big five law firms, which I'm going to name them. So it's Weber Wenzel, Wagmans, it's ENS Africa, Bowman's, Cliff Decker Hofmeier. That is the one. When you Google, that's the one. That are the big five that I usually mention. I also saw Becker McKenzie, so I'm not sure if that is does it fall under the big five. But Becker McKenzie, I think it's international. So I've seen it. Wow, even in some South Korea, I think I've seen that film. South Korea. I'm not sure. I was looking at LinkedIn, but yeah. So it's the whole thing, and so forth and so forth. So it really is big. I'm not gonna lie to you. It is. It's a huge field, and I get some, and then you have an opportunity to be director. You work your way up. It's exciting times in South Africa. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of hard work. Just bring in your A game, bring in the hard work, and yeah, you get to go, and then so forth and so forth and so forth. And then that's how you execute. And yeah, oh yeah. Also, I'll be starting my own organization soon, very soon. It's very interesting. It encompasses law. So, because that's like oxygen in South Africa, like it touches on everything. So, trust me when I say, Uti, definitely it's one of the best. So, we are sure of that. So, the organization will be, we'll have different layers to it, and we have different layers to it. And we have a conversation whereby we get to, like, I don't want to go too much into it, but yeah, just check it out. And hopefully, I'll drop some announcement as well. So that will be great. So yeah, so yeah, I don't know. This is weird, by the way. Talking, just looking at the land, looking at yourself. I don't know how these people do it, but very strange. But yeah, man. So for me, tell me some cool new all the way from South Africa. I would say if you want to hear more or have more questions or you want to learn more, you should just click Lapaya. But I don't really know these things. So yeah. Okay. Happy Human Rights Day to everyone. So right to dignity. Like I always say, I think we are very blessed with our constitution because you see a lot of human rights getting infringed around the world. The news is like, so we are privileged. I think hopefully you knows how privileged we truly are when it comes to the constitution. Truly, truly, truly privileged. So we are, and hopefully we don't take that for granted. And man, I wish I brought my constitutional book. I would have shown you. But other than that, I'm gonna try and do this as much as I can because I really don't understand these things. I'm only good with one thing. Like I really need a team, especially when it comes to editing things and so forth and so forth. But because I'm a startup with limited budget. Actually, not budget. No budget. So I'm just winging it. Like I have no budget. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't have any budget. I have no. I have nothing. I don't have budget. It's just me. I don't have a team, and you need a full team for these things so it can be efficient. I can produce some of the things, but yeah. But I would love to have a budget. Oh yeah. I heard that there's a point whereby you can donate or something for. What? If you were to donate, it doesn't go to me. It goes to the platform. So I use that money collectively and find a proper someone who's really trained in handling all of this, and then I think the content will be very professional, will be on point, and it won't be like this person is doing it. It will be proper. So I don't know. Like, I don't. Is there somewhere that you get to donate? Because I've seen people doing flowers or what you can change them into money, but hey man, if you want to see more, if you want to see the channel improve, I would kindly ask for your assistance in because yeah, and then I will just find the right people. Actually, there is an art school somewhere a few kilometers away, not that far. So I'll definitely hire some of those students, because they're still learning will be a great place to like shape their skills. Because if I were to hire a professional, it's just too expensive. So let me just wrap this up. Thank you so much, top fan. I don't have a top fan. Ah, that's another option. What is this top fan? So thank you. So yeah, thank you so much. Okay, I'm ending the stream from
Na
me.
gut, guck mal, jetzt plakanya das Ding, das. Thank you.
Whoever was going to watch this, bye bye, and hit me up on my socials. Just Ubuntu and Low everywhere. As you can see, it's the same logo, so same with some. But yeah, thanks.